How to fast forward or speed up a clip in InShot. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how we can speed up a clip using InShot. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can just directly go ahead and open up InShot and then head over to Video tab and then select a video that you want to fast forward. For example, this one right here. So once you have selected the video, you can find this video on this timeline. So what you can do is simply go ahead and select up the video. And once you have selected it from this timeline, you can just go ahead and look out for the option called speed here. Just go ahead and find this option called speed. And once you have done that, you can find it the speed up like 2x faster or 10x faster, also 100. So you can just go ahead and look out for this one right here. After that, click on right. And when you play the video, it will play it very fast. So that is how you speed up a clip in InShot using this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.